Hey family, welcome to the channel. Let's start eating. Hey family, welcome back to the channel. Thank you so much for joining us today. Today we are eating Panda Express. Panda. Well, honey, why are we eating Panda today?
Made them tell you because you always ask me the same thing.
You gotta try, make sure you answer me.
Because it's
Fast Food Friday.
FFF in the building. You know what it is already.
Yes.
What we got over here today?
So I have some fried rice with some vegetable and the walnut shrimp, and then I have some teriyaki chicken. I got the bigger plate today.
We have that today, and I have walnut shrimp. That's fussing. That's the joint right there, and then orange chicken and first lady side of food too.
Chicken teriyaki.
Yeah. So you know how it is already. I know why she go buy a bigger plate and she's a smaller plate.
Listen.
Where's the panda lovers at?
Panda.
Where my panda lovers at? Calm it down with my panda lovers, man. You don't want plum sauce? You have your sauce?
Yeah, I separated my love.
Separate them fast.
Yep.
Oh, you gave me teriyaki sauce too?
Yeah.
Okay. Family, no cap. I'm hungry, B. I ain't gonna cap.
Hey, baby.
Thank you. Thank you so much. Thank you.
You're welcome.
I deserve that meal.
Oh, God.
So it's been a long day, family. Wow. Okay, yes. Teriyaki. Hold on, I'm gonna give you some first. Hold on.
This is not plum sauce. This is... Why she give me soya sauce? You have plum sauce, honey?
I only had 2.
Oh.
I put it on already. And she gave me soy sauce too.
Freaking girl tricked me.
You gave me that too.
I'm annoyed. I have one.
Yeah.
I'm like... Oh.
What happened?
Soya sauce good. I guess you tricked me good.
Family, hold on. We want teriyaki? Okay. Okay, since you have boiled for teriyaki here, you're crying for a ticket. Okay.
I don't like how they do the bigger plate.
Right.
I feel like they should have 3 slots for all your meat. Instead of putting the meat separate.
How much meat you have?
Enough meat. Same meat you wanted yesterday.
Too much meat for you, no man. You can't manage how much meat you can manage.
So you can manage meat?
I can't manage meat. Family. Wow. Wow.
I don't know what's going on at Panda, but every time we go there, you're on the line for like 45 minutes. Twice. We was gonna get Panda Express and we had to walk out because we couldn't do it.
And there's no need for that. There's no need for that, no lie. There's no need for that.
They're short-staffed, but man, they move slow.
They move slow. Wow.
Because we have Panda right next door, and then we have Chipotle. Why do a Chipotle and a Panda is always like close to each other? But anyway, and sometimes I'm so annoyed I just go right to Chipotle. And Chipotle's line be long too, but they're fast.
Fast. No, sir. She ain't giving the rice.
She ain't giving no rice.
Here.
Because I was with you, that's why. She was already pissed off.
Step here. Here go the walnut shrimp. Hope y'all can see it. Damn. Come on, zoom in. Zoom in. There y'all go. Walnut shrimp is good.
I hope you guys have a great weekend.
For real. Hope y'all do.
What are you gonna say?
I was gonna say if they have where they get when they go there.
Oh.
Cause I know they go there. Yes, I'm glad you had a big plate, you know, because I know say I give me enough food. Wow.
Oh, sorry, honey.
That's
Get some vegetable.
Give me some greens. First they have. I need my green.
Did you taste this?
Nice.
It's good?
Tastes like it's better than the one, the real one. So what y'all got planned? Really? Okay. I wish I could say the same.
I'll be going to work.
Work though.
You know what I'm gonna be doing? Watching tennis. It's the US Open. I've been recording them because I've been at work for this weekend. Catch up on it. I got 5 on it.
Wow.
The teriyaki chicken is good because it still has a flavor. They didn't fry it long enough. But it's still good.
Still good.
Hey, should I fry this some more too? You think so? I like when it has a crunch to it. See, it's just coming right out of the teriyaki. The teriyaki. It's coming right out of the
Oh, you talking about the shrimp? I talking about the shrimp, man. This is teriyaki,
more,
Mario.
yeah. It's more tougher. Like has a crispiness to it.
Surprised there wasn't a lot of people getting it today.
I know.
It's too early.
Oh my god. Let me tell you guys what happened. Like we said, the Panda Express line be long and they move slow. So we wasn't doing a video, but I felt like eating it. We waited on that line for about how long, honey?
An hour.
Like an hour. Like I said, some people might say I'm not waiting nobody down for no hour, but
We fell for that food today.
when you feel like eating something,
What's in your mind?
it was my turn to order. I got up to the front. I said, "Can I have some walnut shrimp, please?"
Oh yeah.
She said, "Oh, we're closing soon, so we're not making it anymore. We're out of it." I said, "Excuse me? Excuse me? Excuse me?" I said, "Miss, listen, I've been on this line for an hour. I don't eat meat. Okay? That's the only thing that you guys have that I want. Thank God, I wanted double shrimp that day." So I said, "You think it's fair to have me sit on the line for an hour? Wait till it's my turn to order and then tell me you don't have no shrimp?" I said, "You could have said that 30 minutes ago."
That you're not making no more.
Yeah, or 35 minutes ago. Guys, if you want shrimp, we're not making any more. And I would have made an informed decision and say, "You know what, honey? Let me go to Chipotle. Or let me just go home," whatever. To have me stand on the line, I said, "No. You guys are gonna have to make it for me." So she said, "Okay, ma'am, we'll make it."
Sure did.
Sure did.
Sure to make it good too. Make it excellent too.
It was so good too.
Yeah. So don't make them tell you nothing, family. After you be waiting for so long, and they say they're not gonna make this, they're not gonna make that. They're gonna have to make it because you don't eat that.
Yeah. Because here's the thing. I know they're short staffed, right?
Yeah.
Honestly, I'm not trying to give them a hard time. But you gotta understand, that was my time. Okay? My time is just as valuable as yours. So, and it's not my job to assume that, hey, that guy just took the last of the walnut shrimp.
Yeah.
They're not gonna make any more. I don't know that. Because as far as I'm concerned, and family, they were closing.
Yeah.
But they still had a long line all the way to the back of the store.
That's their mistake. They should have said, you know what I'm saying?
Right. Want some rice, honey?
Give me some rice, man.
You could have said no.
And what you go buy a big plate for? When you have small mouth.
Alright, so I give Richard some rice. So,
You use this?
let me sauce
No,
on.
no, sauce, man. I know use sauce, man.
I need a little bit.
I know use the sauce, B. Yes or no?
You forget.
You were saying something about that's not your problem.
Yeah. It's not. So, I just admit I don't eat meat. You guys know I eat meat. Come on now.
She didn't want that for that day. She wanted that. Her mind was on that. Damn.
One thing though, you gotta be quick on your feet. Or they'll get you.
Take a piece of the orange chicken. I didn't eat. I'm eating everything about that orange chicken. I haven't taken none yet. Right here. Take a big bite. There we go. Okay. A piece of the orange chicken. You have too much food over there, son. Yeah, now.
No, no orange chicken.
Family. Go try this weekend, man. If they go to the mall, I know they got that in the mall.
Yeah, that's true.
They have it in the mall. We're gonna try it. Try the walnut shrimp, Boston.
You know what I had in the mall? Well, it wasn't in the mall, but they do have it in the mall. Shake Shack.
Don't know.
I still talk about it today. They had a chicken sandwich that was so good.
The first time eating there?
First time eating it, because you know I don't eat burgers. So I'm like, but excuse me. Pull your beard.
That's too long, Mario.
It's alright. I'm not bothering him.
Take too long, man.
Yeah, they didn't make the shrimp good today. Yeah. I'm disappointed.
It wasn't fried crunchy.
It was not. Whoever fried it took it out. See, everything just falling apart.
They took it out too quick.
Took it out too quick.
Let me see if I got no better ones I can give you. Here, take this one. You can broke up one then. You give it to me. Yeah. I don't want no walnut. You can't have no walnut that might, you know that. Yeah,
I don't like the walnut either, but
I know. They took it out too quick.
Yeah, they didn't.
Make it soak. Not soak, but
Yeah,
stay crispy.
but here's the thing. If you're gonna rush the food, at least be fast serving it. Don't rush the food and then you slow. What the hell are you rushing the food for? If you're not gonna share it out and to get people out of the store and have to still wait for an hour, why are you rushing it? You might as well take your time. I'm already waiting. Yeah, I know I'm complaining today. That's right. Okay, if something ain't right with my food, I complain. That's why I cook my own food.
Me and Yami. She complaining, I eat it. But yeah, it's usually better than that. I'm not gonna lie. If you ain't lying for you. If you ever try the walnut shrimp, I know it's usually crunchy.
Delicious. This one was not. It still had the flavor, but Oh, you put hot sauce on your shrimp.
Oh, you tasting?
I don't know how you eat with hot sauce like that.
Open my mind, put it in there.
No, I'm just saying because all I taste is just the hot sauce.
There's not a lot of sauce in it, because that sauce done. Lie yourself.
It's how strong it is. Grace hot sauce is good. Don't get me wrong. But only certain things I eat hot sauce with. Fried chicken. Like that RFC.
I love that RFC. No, I'm not selling no sauce. I'm selling. But it's busting though.
Very good.
One day, when you're lucky folks, we taste it. Don't worry. One day. One day.
Hey, remember that? One day, me go down a gully. Me see bread and
Remember that.
If you're from Jamaica, you know that song.
Family. All I know the food, man, and the food. That's all I need to know. Boss. Oh, you better buy a big plate.
Well, I bought vegetable for you because you wanted some. I usually get a bowl, the small one.
Yep, she won. Take show off today.
Yep.
Cause she off weekend.
Listen, this weekend, I hope you guys have a great weekend.
For real.
enjoy yourself, your family. Enjoy life. Do whatever makes you happy. If that's sitting on the couch watching tennis, do that. If that's going out, do that.
I'm safe by doing it.
Just live your life, guys. Live your life.
That's true.
Hey.
That's true.
Do you guys believe that you when you pass away, you are like you live your life over and over again until you get it right? Or do you believe that when you pass away, you're someone else, like you're a whole different person?
Good question.
That's a good question. Or if you just go to heaven, you know?
Good question.
Or hell.
Or hell. That's it.
Nah, I'm done. I don't want no more. Panda Express
Okay, family.
disappointed me today with my shrimp.
It's that time. I know. The food is done. I don't know what you're saying, but yeah. I will talk a lot. Right? For all our new family members, we appreciate every single one of y'all. You know what I'm saying? Welcome to the greedy couple over here, you know? Positive vibe where we just talk and eat. Here's what I got for y'all. Beautiful people today.
You know what I don't understand too? Some people say just eat and don't talk. When you're at a dinner table with your family, do you just eat and don't talk? Not our house. We talk about we chat.
Yep, all day.
But I mean, if that's what you want, then just you know, to the left, to another channel.
Everybody wants us to talk over here. Yeah. So last time we ain't talking in the video, everybody say, yo, if it was a prank. Alright, family. First, listen. Family, listen up. Alright. This could gonna piggyback on what family. Well, what First Lady said, to the left, Okay. Remember, family, rudeness is the weak person imitation of strength.
That's a deep.
That one's deep.
Deep.
Yes, I'm gonna say it again. For everybody that's new, this is what we do at the end of the video. So listen up, word of wisdom, okay? Rudeness is the person imitation of strength. We appreciate y'all.
Alright, I'm about to take off my earrings now.
Thank you for rocking with us. You know what we do here. Chit trash, talk.
Talk trash. We do talk trash.
Talk trash, talk crap, whatever you want. But main thing, y'all talking trash back to us.
Yeah,
so
that's
we
true.
like, you know what I'm saying? So we appreciate it. If you're new, welcome to the channel. I am Richie, and this is Shanice, aka First Lady. And they are?
You guys are the Greedy family. We know that there are millions of YouTubers out there, and we appreciate you taking the time to come and watch us. We will see you next time for another mukbang. Bye. Yo, how many times you want to reach over there? What are you reaching for?
I thought I had more juice.